So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today's video we're taking a look at a set of gaming accessories, and this is from Tilted Nation. Now big shout out to Tilted Nation for sponsoring this review. Today we're taking a look at a USB headset holder with RGB light, and we're also taking a look at the LED Mouse Bungee with 4 USB ports. We also have a high performance mouse pad with RGB. Set of high performance pads that has some pretty cool designs, and I can't wait to show it to you. So before we jump into it, stay tuned. Please watch the entire video. I will be showing you how you can go about winning all of these accessories. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first one we're taking a look at is the USB headset holder, guys. Now this is a very cool accessory. Now, as you take a look at this graphic right here, it's built to actually hold your headset, but it also has a nice bungee holder for your mouse, and we're going to go ahead and demonstrate that in a little bit. So as far as the specifications, some of the features should be able to fit all of your gaming headsets. Does prevent tangles with the bungee, of course. 2 USB 3 inputs, and you can go ahead and change to RGB very easy on this. So let's go ahead and open it up. First thing that's included, this is a actually pretty robust USB cable, guys. This is USB A to A. It is braided, so very nice quality in my opinion. So glad that that was included. As far as the size, we're looking about a 4-footer. Here's the actual device, and everything here is made of plastic. It does have the bungee right there for your mouse. So you'll just wire your mouse in there and then just run it to the back, and you can use this. So on the bottom it tells you that this is the input, and you have 2 outputs on the side. Rubber footed underneath. If you look closely right here, there's the actual power button. Not only is this the power button, it also doubles up as the option to change the RGB effect. So let's go ahead and get it powered up. Alright, so how we looking? Look at this. So it looks pretty good. We have the RGB all the way around. So RGB all around the sides looks pretty good. RGB around the main area. This is changeable. Let me go ahead and kill some of the lights. Most important part of this is the button right here. So if you hit it, you can go ahead and change the color. You can see it's go from blue to purple to green, blue again. Looks like a white, red, green, blue. Right, so just cycle it through, and if you do a long press, it does go ahead and turn everything off. Hold it again to come back on, and then it starts the default breathing motion. So pretty cool accessory. Let's get a headphone on it, get a mouse connected, and see what it looks like. So just a quick look of what this will actually look like. And this mouse was not provided by Tilted Nation. This is actually my everyday driver right here, but just with any mouse it will work properly, guys. And this is the whole idea of it. You're moving around, you don't have the mouse cord tangling, you kind of have some relief. And let me turn it to the side. Just take a look at that middle rubber there. That's where basically all the magic is happening, guys. And the good thing about that is that with this setup, you have the USB ports on the side where you can just plug this in. No need to worry about running the mouse all the way to the computer. So I thought that was pretty cool. As far as the headphones, like I said, this will fit any standard headphones. Has the USB ports there where you can just drop this on there, then you can plug it in, charge it. So it works pretty well, and a very cool accessory in my opinion. So the next piece that we're actually going to take a look at is the LED Mouse Bungee. This one has 4 USB ports. And like I said, it's going to be the similar idea. It's going to have the bungee for your mouse to keep your wires away. But the cool thing about this is that it has 4 USB ports to do whatever you want. You can use it as a charger, use it to transport media, data to your PC. Whatever you need a USB port for, this should have enough for you. So let's go ahead and open it up. And again, this also comes with a very nice braided USB cable. However, this one is USB A to micro USB. So this one's going to be a little bit different compared to the headset holder. Again, we're looking about a 4-footer. Then the bungee itself is pretty tiny, guys. It's almost the size of my hand basically. Has the rubberized bungee right there. 2 USB ports on this side. And the other side we have 2 additional USB ports. Has some rubber legging, of course. Supposed to keep that guy nice and steady. Yet again, this one is pretty straightforward. It does have the cord nicely tucked away, and I do like that about it. Good thing about this is that there is some give. So if you pull a little bit, it gives a little bit of the cord. Then you can always retract it a little bit later. Now the color on this one is purple. They do come in different colors, but depending on what you want to do, you can specify the color at checkout. So cool thing about that, if you look underneath, there's actually a nice little glow. There is another LED underneath, which I think is pretty cool. Alright, so the next one that we're going to look at, this is a high performance mouse pad with RGB lighting. So the size on this is a 31.5 by 11.5 surface. It is water resistance, ultra low friction, so pretty smooth, optimized for both laser and optical gaming mice. Helps deliver superior control and precision. Let's go ahead and open it up. Once again, we have braided USB cable. This one is micro USB to USB-A. On the top, we have the power plug for the micro USB. We also have a cycle button to cycle through the different colors. So let's go ahead and get it all set up. So pretty cool. It is cycling right now, as we can see from the sides. Push the button. We still have different color going all the way around. Let's push it again. All right, so that's red, green, blue, and it's still cycling through the different colors. As far as the feel with the mouse, it feels pretty good. I'm not a gamer, but this is pretty smooth, in my opinion. Next, we have two high performance mouse pads, and these measure 31.5 by 11.8 once again, so the same size, but these one actually have some cool designs on here. No RGB lighting on these two, but like I said, they have some cool designs, so let's go ahead and check them out. Actually pretty thick, guys. So just imagine your setup looking something like this, whether you choose the Mouse Bungee with the headphones or just the Mouse Bungee with the USB. Pretty nice pad, guys. Like I said, it's nice and thick. Push down on it, you can actually feel it give a little bit, so it has a lot of cushion. Also, this one is water resistant, ultra low friction fabric, and it's optimized for both laser and optical gaming mice. And of course, underneath has the anti-skid material. That way it won't move around on you. Very nice. Love the design on it. Very futuristic, very techy, and I like this design. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. Now, even though this design right here is a nice design, I have a feeling you guys are gonna like this one even better, mainly because I do. Starting to have second thoughts about my giveaway. So again, this is going to have that anti-friction surface, so it's not going to have any issues with movement or precision if you guys are using it for gaming. Has the anti-skid underneath again, so it won't move around on you. It is water resistant, so it'll spill your Kool-Aid, your beer, whatever you want on here. Won't cause any issues, and the material looks good, and even better, the design on this one looks awesome. So big shout out to Tilted Nation once again for sponsoring this video. These products are actually very affordable, so I will be leaving Amazon links if you guys want to go ahead and purchase them. If you're interested in anything that I displayed today, guys, drop a comment in the comment section and let me know which one you would like to win. So keep in mind that most people are probably going to go for the headset holder, so unfortunately I can only pick one winner. So if you're interested in winning any one of these products, first you have to be subscribed to the channel, then drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know which one you want to win and why. I will pick a winner in a day or two, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is checked. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.